Great is I source of life and of unimaginably immense power. Jah overstanding is infinite. Jah lifts up the humble. Jah casts the wicked down to the ground. Sing to Jah and give thanks. Sing blissfully on the harp to I source of life. Jah is love and I are living in positive vibration. Yes, I praise Jah, for it is good to sing praises unto I source of life, for it is lovely, and a heart filled with gratitude is beautiful. Jah builds up I community. Jah gathers together the outcasts of I people. Jah heals the broken in heart and binds up their wounds. Jah tells the number of the stars. Jah calls them all by their names. Great is I source of life and of unimaginably immense power. Jah overstanding is infinite. Jah lifts up the humble. Jah casts the wicked down to the ground. Sing to Jah and give thanks. Sing blissfully on the harp to I source of life. Who covers the sky with clouds, who prepares rain for the earth, who makes grass to grow upon the mountains. Jah gives to the animals of the fields their food, and also to the young ravens which cry as they fly above. Jah delights not in the strength of the horse. Jah finds no joy in the legs of a man. Jah finds delight in them who love Jah and fear to do wrong, in those who hope in Jah mercy. Praise Jah, everyone. Praise the source of life in the highest regions. For Jah has strengthened the bars of the gates for protection. Jah has blessed the children within the Jah makes peace in the borders and fills the with the finest of the wheat. Jah sends forth Jah power upon earth. Jah word runs very swiftly. Jah gives snow like wool. Jah scatters the frost like ashes. Jah casts forth ice like morsels. Who can stand before Jah cold? Jah sends out Jah word and melts them. Jah causes Jah wind to blow and the waters flow. Jah shows Jah word unto I fathers. Jah statutes and Jah judgments unto I people. Jah has not dealt so with any nation. And as for Jah judgments, they have not known them. Yes, I praise Jah. One love, one heart, unity, and strength.